Welcome to DAYSPRING Trailers. Today we're looking at a brand new Alcom Stealth all aluminum car hauler with a very popular Elite escape door. This one is sitting on tandem 3,500 pound axles with brakes. I'm going to walk around with you and show you how easy this is. First, you walk up. I've already removed these. They're simple. You grab it, walk back, let it go up by itself. Go inside here, release these, take this fender, I give it a little tap, it's aluminum, set her on the ground. Now look at that, look at all this room you got to get out your car door. I have not had a car that you cannot get out your door. Ferraris, McLarens, full-blown race cars, you name it, they can get out of your car. We'll continue walking around it. It's 20 feet long plus this V-nose, so you have some extra more room. Finished with big diamond plate up front. Walk around over here on the side. It's got a man door with the RV style lock for the handle and the deadbolt. It has our exclusive cross vent system. So there's one here, and if you notice another side, there was one up high. We're going to walk inside now and take a look. This back door is a little over 7 feet tall. Inside 7 feet 2. These are the cross vents. There's one up high here, one down low back there. So there's air constantly flowing through your trailer year round to help with getting rid of fumes and moisture and everything else we have in this state. Works out great for it. It has 4 heavy duty D-rings inside. This is the inside of the RV door with the deadbolt lock on the inside. The flooring is called Pack Tight, and the walls, they'll never rot, it'll outlive you. I've got some in a fishbowl for going on 7 years now. You can come see it. Hard as a rock, a little dirty for being in the water all time, but still solid as a rock. I'm gonna go ahead and close this ramp. You can see I'm lifting it with 2 fingers and up it goes. And there it is with the back door closed. Okay, so we use triple hinges on the back for extra support for the cars. All your lighting is LED. Great high quality trailer. It doesn't weigh a lot, gives you a lot of payload capacity. If you have questions about this trailer, or you want different colors, different options, give us a call. We specialize in that. You can reach us at 503-666-7300 or dayspringtrailers.com. And thanks for looking, and have a wonderful day.